So here, the equation of the graph curves are one is 1 x square equals to y square equals to 1 and x minus 1 whole square plus y square equals to 1. So this is also a circle and this is also a circle. For this circle, the center is 0, 0 and the radius is 1. For this circle, the center is 1, 0 and the radius is also 1. So we can draw the approximate graphs. This is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. And this is the circle which is having the center at 0, 0. 0, 0 is the center. And 1, 0, this is, so it will intersect the x-axis at 1, 0 and at minus 1, 0. And this coordinate is 0, 1 and this coordinate is 0, minus 1. And the other circle is also having equal radius. So this will be the other circle. It will intersect the x-axis at 0, 0 and at 2, 0. And these two circles will intersect at 2 points. The coordinates of those 2 points we have to find. We can first find out the x coordinate of those 2 points where they will intersect. The x coordinate of that point we have to find. And the y-axis is obviously x equals to 0. So if we solve these two equations, then we get from here we get that is y square equals to 1 minus x square. So if we put that here, then we will get x minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus x square, that is equals to 1. So we will get x square plus 1 minus 2x plus 1 minus x square, that is equal to 1. So x square will get cancelled and 1 also will get cancelled. So we will get 2x equals to 1. So x will be equal to half. So the x coordinate will be half at which the two circles will intersect. Now at x equals to half, y will be how much? Y will be equal to square root of 1 minus x square from here we can see. So y will be equal to square root of 1 minus 1 by 4. So that will be 3 by 4. So that will be root over 3 by 2. So means it will be your plus minus actually. So plus minus root 3 by 2. So the coordinate of this point B will be 1 by 2 comma root 3 by 2. And the coordinate of this point C will be 1 by 2 comma minus root 3 by 2. Now we need to find the area of the region enclosed between the two circles. This area we have to find. So now the coordinate of this point where this x equals to half, this straight line is intersecting the x-axis, that coordinate will be half comma 0, obviously. Now we can see that this region is also symmetric about the x-axis. So if we tell that the area of this part, that is your A1, then the total area which we have to find as the answer, that will be your 2A1. Now for this part, the area, the curve is having a different equation, and for this part the curve is having a different equation. So for this part, the equation of the curve is the second circle, which is x minus 1 whole square plus y square equals to 1. So we can write it as y equals to root over 1 minus x minus 1 whole square, yes or no? Since y we need only in the first quadrant, so y should be having positive value. And for this circle, we can write for the first quadrant, y will be equal to square root of 1 minus x square. So therefore from 0 to half, therefore from x equals to 0 to half, we should use the equation y equals to root over 1 minus x minus 1 whole square. And from x equals to half to x equals to 1, we should use y equals to square root of 1 minus x square, yes or no? So therefore the total area, that is your 2A1, so that will be equal to twice of the integral. So we are integrating along the x-axis, so we should use integral y dx. So it will be integral 1 minus x minus 1 whole square. Now that is going from 0 to half, and plus we have to do integral square root of 1 minus x square, that is going from half to 1. This if we solve, then we will get the answer. So that will be 2 times. Now here we can make some substitution, that is x minus 1 equal to t. So if we will get dx will be equal to dt, and since x is going from here 0 to half, so t will go from uh, 0 minus 1, so it will go from minus 1 to half minus 1, that is 2 minus half. Okay, so we will have to do integral minus 1 to minus half square root of 1 minus t squared, and here we should write dx actually, sorry, it will be dt, plus it will be integral from half to 1 square root of 1 minus x square dx. Okay, so therefore the total area, that is 2a1, that will be equal to twice of integral square root of 1 minus x 1 minus t square dt, that is t by 2 square root of 1 minus t square, plus 1 by 2 sine inverse t by 1, that is going from minus half to minus half, means minus 1 to minus half, then plus 2 into this will be x by 2 square root of 1 minus x square, plus this will be 1 by 2 sine inverse x by 1, that will go from half to 1. So we have to solve it. So therefore now the total area, that will, sorry, the total area that will be equal to 2 into this is your t by 2 square root of 1 minus t square plus 1 by 2 sine inverse t by 1, it is going from minus 1 to minus half, plus 2 into this will be going from, this will be x by 2 square root of 1 minus x square plus 1 by 2 sine inverse x by 1, it is going from half to 1. Now we will do, that is 2 times, if we put minus half here, we will get minus 1 by 4 times 1 minus 1 by 4, plus this will be your half sine inverse minus half, minus that will be, if I put minus 1 here, this will be minus, no, this will become 0. So this will become your 1 by 2 sine inverse minus 1. Okay. Then plus this will be 2 into, if I put 1 here, that will become 0. Then if I put 1 here, this will become half sine inverse 1. Then minus, if I put half now, this will become 1 by 4 square root of 1 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 sine inverse 1 by 2. Okay. So if we solve it, then we'll get 2 times, this will be minus 1 by 4 into, this will be 3 by 4. So this will be root over 3 by 2. Then minus 1 by 2 sine inverse half, that is pi by 6. Then minus we will do, so minus times minus will be plus, plus half into sine inverse 1 is pi by 2, plus this will be 2 into half into sine inverse 1, that is pi by 2, pi by 2, then minus 1 by 4 into square root of 1 minus 1 by 4. This will be root 3 by 2. Then minus half into sine inverse half, that is your pi by 6. Sine inverse half, that is pi by 6. Okay. Then so this will become minus root 3 by 4 minus pi by 6 plus pi by 2. Then plus this will become pi by 2 minus this will be root 3 by 4. Then minus this will become pi by 6. Okay, so this will be your pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is pi minus pi by 6 minus pi by 6, that is pi by 3. Now minus root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4, that is root 3 by 2. So the answer is 2 pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2. 2 pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2, this much square units. So this is the final answer. Thank you.